Coming up on Microwave Good Eats with Josh Kalb.
Well, first, you just take your griddle, you gotta heat it up, power 3 for 16 minutes. After that, you take 2 tangerines, count them 2, skin it off, pop them right in, push them around with a rubber skillet, don't want to burn yourself. That's another 16 minutes, power 4. Okay, we got the tangerines that you take out the griddle. You're done with that. You get a bottle of vodka, Jacqueline, and marinate those tangerines. You want them nice and tasty. Get them with my spoonie fork. You take a dog biscuit, break it in 2, throw it in, mix it with that rubber spatula. Grey Poupon for extra flavor. You lactose intolerant, don't want to use that. Put it back in the microwave. Now this is the tricky part. Power 8 for 2 minutes and 13 seconds. And there you go. In your griddle, you got a meal that'll feed 18 veterinarians. Yum!